Hello, welcome to Quiet Dignity and Grace. Like, hate, share, scribe, comment if you need to. Links for things, where you find the link stuff. Bell because reasons. Thank you so much for watching. Let's rock. I picked up the piece I had made. Oh! But I still got the doghouse to finish. I got casters to put on that sucker. I'm like really close to finishing the doghouse. But I'm getting really tired of how cold it is in here. I've got this figured out. Casters first. That's just gonna happen. So, all right. Put the casters on. Put my foot down on the decision, and put a pin in the other project. I'm gonna go with 2-inch casters. Comfort thing. I had to get new ones because I couldn't find 2.5-inch that lock without going to the other side of the county. Not a $3.50 a gallon. Fuck a bunch of you. If it's less than 2 miles, I'll walk. Fuck. Oh. So I gotta place them where I can still hit the locks, is the thing. And then I got 2 extras for a little stability. Shit, should hit that first. Well, anyways, the corners are easy. I just got to measure and find center for the dingers. Yep.